More or less. Sorry, I think I left him back at the spot. I just kind of brain farted.
So the other car you should ride in is that number 11.
There?
Yep.
Oh, he is fast as shit.
Really?
Yeah.
And that car is set up.
Huh.
Whenever you're ready.
This thing rips.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable, actually. Yeah, it handles this so much faster than your dad's car. Is that less weight, maybe?
Asking a lot of
Wow, look at that, yeah. Wow! Wow! This thing rips.
Yeah, fucking rips.
It's crazy.
It is an angry bean.
It really, it works amazing.
Well, that was my fastest time of the day so far.
Nice.
That's probably as good as it's gonna get. These tires are gonna get hot fast. Whoops, that was me right there.
It's crazy you can just buy a stock car, throw some tires on it, and rip it like this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, not any stock car, but
Yes, but I mean, but this is like, this isn't like, you didn't go and put a ton of shit on it afterwards, right?
the most amazing thing to me personally was that a Hyundai can do this.
Yes,
day.
all day. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, you kind of expect that out of a Porsche or whatever, right? But yes, the Honda can do this all day long. That was amazing.